This is one of those dinners I actually make for myself all the time. It's ready in about 20 minutes and you only have to wash one pan. I'm making smoked sausage, peppers and onions over rice and black beans with a little trick to cook it all at once. For the black beans, I pour off about half the liquid, then right in the can I add a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, cumin, smoked paprika, and garlic powder, plus a handful of chopped up banana peppers. For the vegetables, chop up about 1/3 of a red bell pepper, half of a small onion, and add a little salt and pepper and a drizzle of olive oil. Then I slice up 2 smoked sausage links. Now take the rack out of your air fryer and preheat it to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's hot, drop in 2 paper liners and pour the black beans right into the hot air fryer. The rack goes back in, then my pan, 1 package of 90-second rice, the peppers and onions, and finally the smoked sausage on top. Cook everything at 380 degrees for about 16 minutes. About halfway through, I flip the sausage, but I leave the rice and vegetables alone because I like that rice to get a little crispy around the edges. Now back in for another 8 minutes, and look at that. Carefully remove the pan and rack, and underneath the black beans are ready to go. Now we're ready to plate. 20 minutes, easy cleanup. That tastes like victory. And sausage. If you enjoyed this one, hit like and subscribe and check back next Thursday. I'm making air fryer mini cheesecakes.